Greetings webmasters, welcome to another tutorial video from How to Webmaster. Today I'm going to show you how to find low quality backlinks that are linking to your sites and potentially hurting your SEO scores. Head over to this website right here. I'll leave the link down below. Go to Bad Backlink Checker right here. This tool will identify low quality backlinks. So if you hire a SEO firm to do some backlink building and they built some low quality or spam backlinks, this is a good way to find those poor backlinks. So enter your website here. So my website, howtowebmaster.com. Let's submit. Okay, now it will give you the backlink results, just the poorest one or the worst ones, and you can quickly download a CSV file of all of the bad backlinks. You can see the sites that are linking to your sites and the anchor text and destination to your sites, the page authority and domain authority of the sites linking to your site, and when was the backlink found. So you can see there's a lot of page authority 1s and DA or domain authority below 5. So these are a lot of low quality backlinks to my site. So what you can do is you can reach out to them, contact them and request to remove your links. And if you have a lot of spam backlinks to your sites, which is really hurting your SEO scores and rankings, Google has this tool called disavow tool, and this can cancel the backlinks to your site. And I will leave a video down below, tutorial on how to use this tool. So basically, put your website here, select your website, and then upload a list of your bad backlinks, spam backlinks, and Google will do its thing and disavow these bad backlinks so it won't hurt your SEO. Okay, so check out this tool for your sites or clients' sites and identify these low backlinks. The tool is free, and Google disavow tool is also free. Links down below. I hope this helps. Please subscribe for more SEO and marketing reviews and tutorials, and thanks again for watching.